Nothing says happy holidays better than a homemade pumpkin pie. Who knew that pumpkin pie filling made from scratch was so easy? I used 2 of our Halloween pumpkins that I hadn't turned into jack-o'-lanterns. I cut off the tops, I quartered them, I scooped out the seeds and the stringy flesh, and then put them on a cookie sheet, then coated them with lots of butter, cinnamon, sugar, and allspice. Then I put them in the oven and I roasted them for about 35 minutes at 350 degrees. When I pulled them out, they were very, very tender, and they smelled great. So the next step is set them aside for a few minutes. Once they've cooled a bit, go ahead and scoop out the warm, tender flesh out of the pumpkin shell. Put all of that in a bowl, and then go ahead and season a little bit more to your liking. I used a little bit of almond milk, but my full recipe is down below in the description. Once you've done that, whip everything up in your nutri-bullet or blender, and you're finished. Thanks for watching.